Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on lesson 2 for chapter 2. So subtract 0 and subtract all. Okay, so we're going to start with our name. So if your name is Jason, you're going to write Jason. If your name is Sienna, you're going to write Sienna. If your name is Remy, you're going to write Remy. But since my name is Mrs. Jackson, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write Mrs. Jackson. And I'm going to write my date, which is 3-31-20. Okay? All right. Now I have my manipulative right here to help me with my story here. It says use linking cubes to model each story, but you don't have to use linking cubes. I'm going to use pattern blocks. You can use cereal. You can use anything you want. You could draw your beavers. It's going to be your choice, okay? So, there are 5 beavers on the log. None of the beavers leave. How many beavers are left? So, we need to start with our tool. And let's get 5 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, it says none of them leave, which means how many are there? Exactly, 5. Back, belly, hat. Clear my board. Okay. There are 5 beavers on the log. All of the beavers leave. How many beavers are left? So let's put our 5 on the log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now all the beavers jump off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beavers are left? 0. 0 beavers. And now I want us to think about our equations. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Okay? But on this equation, it's going to be 5 minus all 5 equal 0. Okay. All right, so now we're on our Think and Grow page. And let's go ahead and read what Newton has in his little thought bubble. When you subtract 0 from a number, the difference is that number. So you can see right here, there's 3 helicopters, okay? And 0 of the helicopters leave. That equals 3 left. Now, Descartes said, when you subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. So 3 helicopters, and all 3 of them left. 1, 2, 3. So minus 3 equals 0 helicopters on the ground. Okay? So now that's what we're going to be working on right here from 1 to 4. Okay? So let's go ahead. Let's look at number 1. How many helicopters do we see on the ground? 2. 1, 2. How many helicopters leave? 0. So what's our answer? 2. Okay. Now right here we have 2 helicopters in the sky, 2 of them, and 2 helicopters left, and that equals 0. Now I want you to do 3 and 4. All by yourself. On the next page where it says apply and grow, I want you to look at these pictures on number 5 and number 6. Okay? You're going to use the picture to write your equation. So you're going to count your beavers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beavers. 8 beavers minus 0 beavers equals how many beavers? And then right here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beavers running away. So 8 minus 8 equals Okay? I want you to go ahead and do those on your own. So do 5 and 6 on your own. Now let's look at number 7. Now, if you want to use your fingers, go for it. So 5. Okay? Now we need to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Okay? I want you to do the same right here. Oh, 6. 6 minus 0. Do we take any away? No. So we still have 6. I want you to do 9 and 10 by yourself. Okay? Now, number 11 says, complete the equation, then use the words to complete the sentence. Okay? So, these are the words right here. Difference, number, and subtract. 4 minus equals 4. Is it going to be 4 minus 4 equals 4 or 4 minus 0 equals 4? Very good. 4 minus 0 equals 4. Okay? When you 0 from a number, when you difference 0 from a number, when you number 0 from a number, or when you subtract 0 from a number. Subtract. When you subtract 0 from a number, the difference is that number. So this sentence is what this is showing. 4 minus 0 equals 4. When you subtract 0 from a number, the difference is that number. So we subtracted 0, and so the difference, the answer, the difference is the same number. Okay, so now we're at our Think and Grow modeling in real life area. Your friend has 7 pennies. You have 7 fewer pennies than your friend. How many do you have? Now, I want us to draw a picture. Okay, so I'm going to circle my important numbers, 7 and 7. Okay, so my friend has 7 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 fewer pennies than your friend. Okay? How many do you have? So if I have 7 fewer, I'm going to cross them out because I'm missing them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Now my equation is going to look like this. 7 pennies that my friend had minus 7 pennies that I did not have equals 0. I had 0 pennies. All right. Now on your own, you're going to show me this one. Okay, let me read it to you. You're going to do number 12 on your own. Let me go ahead and read it for you. You have 6 pieces of chalk. You give all of your chalk to your friend. How many pieces do you have left? So all is important and 6 is important. And if it's all of 6, your number is going to be 6. I want to see you draw your picture of your 6 pieces of chalk and giving all 6 pieces to your friend. I also want to see your subtraction equation and how many pieces of chalk you have left. All right, here's our last page for today, and our first question on it is complete the equation, then use the words to complete the sentence. Our word bank is right here. Our words are difference, number, and subtract. So let's go ahead and finish this. If we have 9 here and our difference is 0, that means we're subtracting the number from itself. So if we have 9, that means our number must be 9 in order to make this 0. So even if I have 9 objects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 tools. I have to take all 9 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? That gives me 0. When you subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. So again, when you subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. So 9 minus 9 equals 0. So I subtracted the number from itself, and the difference is 0. Okay. Now, number 8, it says, you have 4 stuffed animals. You give all of them to your friend. How many stuffed animals do you have left? Okay. So you have 4 stuffed animals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 4. And you give all of them to your friend. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4 equals 0. How many stuffed animals do you have left? 0. Okay. It also has a picture for you right here, so maybe you're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to give my 4 stuffed animals to a friend. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Okay. Now right here on the bottom it says write the number of dots you see on each domino. Then write the numbers in order. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3. 3. Now it wants us to write them in order. So I know I need to start with the lowest number. The lowest number is 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Perfect. Now I want you to do number 10 on your own. All right, boys and girls, I love you. Let me know if you have any questions.